Hello everyone, this is Mrs. Burdick with your weekly agenda for August the 24th through August the 28th. This will be your first week of coursework, and so you are going to start in the Course Introduction and Readiness Checkpoint module. Within that module, you have a couple of submodules that have things that you'll be working through. One of the first things is the Get Ready submodule. The second thing is the Navigating the Course, and so this you'll want to pay careful attention to. There is a video here that you will be taking a quiz over. This course navigation quiz is going to be your second grade in this class, and it'll be due on August the 25th. The last thing that you'll be working on this week is called a Getting to Know You presentation, and that's going to be due on August the 27th. So I'm going to go over that, some of the requirements for that assignment, and then of course if you have questions you are always welcome to reach out to me. So let's take a look at this assignment. In the OLS for your Getting to Know You presentation, when you click in here you'll have to open the attachment so that you can see the actual assignment requirements. And so what you're going to be doing for this assignment is you are going to be creating a PowerPoint, Prezi, or Google slideshow that is all about you. The goal of this assignment is so that I can get to know a little bit more about you. For this assignment you'll have 4 slides. The first one is going to be a title slide that includes your name and the date. The second slide is going to be a paragraph about yourself. You're going to tell me who you are, and there's some ideas of some things that you may want to include in your paragraph. The third slide is going to be pictures. Tell me about yourself with pictures. You have to include a minimum of 5 pictures. They can be real pictures of you or your family, but they are not required to be real pictures. You can grab pictures from the internet of things or places that represent who you are as a person. You can also do pictures of your own artwork or things of that nature. The last slide is going to answer the following 2 questions. What brought you to K-12 and what are your goals for this semester? Please make sure that your slideshow is neat, organized, and I can read it, no crazy unreadable fonts, and that you use correct spelling, punctuation, grammar, and sentence structure. If you are curious what this looks like, I did include a sample presentation for you within the OLS, and so you can access it there. If you have questions or need help with anything this week, I am offering office hours every day, Monday through Thursday, from 1 to 3:30 p.m. So you can, 1 to 1:30 p.m. So you can pop in and ask any questions or get any help that you may need. Of course, you're welcome to always email me or give me a call on my office line either way. If you have any questions, please do make sure you reach out. Otherwise, I will see you in class next week. Have a good one.